Hello and welcome back. I am Vandana and we are learning English Grammar of Class 5. This is Magic Mind series by Galaxy Publication and here is a book, Pebbles of Grammar. Let's move on to chapter number 25, Comprehension. So here different paragraphs are given, different passages are given. You have to read those passages and then you have to answer the following questions. So we are going to do some of the paragraphs, some of the passages and the rest you have to do yourself. So the first passage comes that read the passage and answer the questions that follow. Once upon a time, many years ago, when our grandfathers were little children, there was a doctor and his name was Dolittle, John Dolittle MD. ये बहुत पहले की बात है जब हमारे ग्रैंडफादर्स जो थे वो छोटे बच्चे थे तो उसमें एक डॉक्टर था जिसका नाम था डूलिटल, पूरा नाम था जॉन डूलिटल MD. He was very fond of animals and kept many kinds of pets. वो एनिमल्स को बहुत पसंद करता था, उसके पास बहुत सारे तरीकों के पेट्स थे. Besides the goldfish in the pond and the bottom of his garden. So goldfish था उसके pond में, उसके गार्डन के बॉटम एरिया में. He had rabbits in the pantry. पैंट्री में rabbits थे. White mice in his piano. उसके पियानो में rabbits थे. A squirrel in the closet. उसके closet में squirrel थे. And a hedgehog in the cellar. cellar में hedgehog था. He had a cow with a calf too. उसके पास एक cow थी जिसके पास एक calf था. And an old lame horse, एक बहुत ही पुराना lame horse था जो कि 25 years of age का था. And chickens थे, pigeons थे and 2 lambs and many other animals. तो बहुत सारे animals थे उसके पास. But his favorite pets were Dab Dab the duck, Jip the dog, Gub Gub the baby pig, Polynesia the parrot and the owl Tutu. लेकिन ये जो एनिमल जिनके नेम यहाँ पे मेंशन किए गए हैं ये उसके फेवरेट एनिमल्स थे, फेवरेट पेट्स थे. His sister used to grumble about all these animals and said they made the house untidy. उसकी जो सिस्टर थी वो बहुत हमेशा परेशान थी, हमेशा जो है कुछ ना कुछ बोलती रहती थी कि ये जो एनिमल्स हैं ये कितना ज़्यादा घर को अनटाइडी करते हैं. She said, John, how can you expect sick people to come and see you when you keep all these animals in your house? तुम कैसे जो है किसी को ये सोच सकते हो कि कोई तुम्हारे घर में आएगा, तुम डॉक्टर हो, तुम्हें दिखाने आएगा, कोई बीमार इंसान कैसे आएगा जब इतने सारे एनिमल्स तुमने हाउस में रख रखे हैं. If you go on like this, अगर तुम ऐसा ही करते रहोगे, none of the best people will have for a doctor. कोई भी जो अच्छा इंसान है वो यहाँ पे बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा. But I like the animals better than the best people, said the doctor. डॉक्टर ने कहा मुझे एनिमल ज़्यादा पसंद है लोगों से भी. One day the parrot Polynesia said to the doctor, why don't you give up being a people's doctor and be an animal doctor? तो एक दिन जो पैरट था Polynesia उसने कहा कि तुम जो है ये जो लोगों के डॉक्टर बने हो उसकी जगह तुम एनिमल डॉक्टर क्यों नहीं बनते? ओह, there are plenty of animal doctors, said John Dolittle. John Dolittle ने कहा बहुत सारे एनिमल डॉक्टर्स हैं. Yes, there are plenty, said Polynesia, but none of them are any good at all. Polynesia ने कहा होंगे बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स पर तुम जैसा कोई भी अच्छा नहीं है. Now listen, doctor, and I'll tell you something. Did you know that animals can talk? अब जो है Polynesia जो है डॉक्टर से कहता है क्या तुम्हें पता है एनिमल्स भी बात कर सकते हैं. I knew that parrots can talk, said the doctor. डॉक्टर ने कहा हाँ मुझे पता है कि पैरट्स बात कर सकते हैं. तो अब Polynesia का क्या रिप्लाई था? He said that oh we parrots can talk in 2 languages. हम 2 लैंग्वेजेस में बात कर सकते हैं. एक तो पीपल्स लैंग्वेज और दूसरा है बर्ड्स लैंग्वेज, said Polynesia proudly. If I say Polly wants a cracker, you understand me. अगर मैं कहूँगा पॉली को एक क्रैकर चाहिए तो तुम मेरी बात समझ जाओगे. But hear this, का, का, ओई, पी. क्या तुमने ये भाषा समझी? Good gracious, cried the doctor. डॉक्टर ने कहा अरे वाह ये क्या है? What does that mean? इसका क्या मतलब है? That means Is the porridge hot yet? In bird language. इसका मतलब है कि क्या अभी भी खाना गर्म है? My, said the doctor. डॉक्टर ने कहा, अरे वाह, ये तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है. You never talked that way to me before. तुमने कभी भी मुझसे ऐसे बात नहीं की पहले. What would have been the good? You would not have understood me if I had said Polynesia. Polynesia ने कहा कि क्या फ़ायदा है ऐसी लैंग्वेज तुमसे बात करने का, तुम मेरी भाषा समझते ही नहीं. Tell me some more, said the doctor. डॉक्टर ने कहा कि चलो कुछ और भी बताओ मुझे. And he rushed over the drawer. अब जो डॉक्टर था वो ड्रॉर की तरफ भागता हुआ जाता है. And came back with a book and a pencil. तो वो बुक और पेंसिल के साथ वहाँ पे आता है. Now don't go too fast and I will write it down. तो डॉक्टर ने कहा कि चलो तुम जो भी बताओगे मैं वो सारी चीज़ें लिखूंगा. This is interesting, very interesting. काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है तुम्हें सुनना. Something quite new. Give me the birds ABC first, slowly now. तो तुम मुझे birds की लैंग्वेज जो ABCD है वो सिखाओ पहले. After a while, with the parrot's help, the doctor got to learn the language of the animals. और पैरट की मदद से जो डॉक्टर था उसने एनिमल्स की भाषा समझ ली. So well that he could talk to them himself and understand everything they said. इतने अच्छे से समझ ली कि वो अब एनिमल से बात कर सकता था और उनकी बातों को बहुत अच्छे से समझ सकता था. Then he gave up being a people's doctor altogether. और फिर वो people's doctor से हट गया, एनिमल डॉक्टर बन गया. And this is adapted from Doolittle by Hogg Lofting. Now, here are some of the questions. You have to answer them based on the passage. So, A exercise says, mark the following statements as true or false. True, false हमें mark करना है. Polynesia was Dr. Doolittle's pet parrot. Yes, it's true. Second one is, Dr. Doolittle liked people more than he liked animals. This is false. He liked animals most. Third one, Polynesia told Dr. Doolittle that animals can talk. Yes, true. Fourth one, parrots can talk in both people's language and birds' language. Yes, this is true. And the fifth one is, doctor got to learn animal language. Yes, this is also true. Now let's move on to B exercise, which is give the names of all the Dr. Doolittle's pets. So whatever names you have read above, those names you have to write down here. Now question number 3, C exercise, that what did Dr. Doolittle's sister complain about? So Dr. Doolittle's sister complained that the animals create a lot of mess. They make the place dirty. Now, D, what advice did the parrot give to Dr. Doolittle? What was the doctor's reply? So, the parrot advised him that be an animal doctor. But doctor said that there are so many doctors around. What is the need of becoming an animal doctor here? Question number E says that how did Dr. Doolittle become an animal doctor? So Dr. Doolittle, he kept on learning ABC of the animals by his parrot Polynesia, and after that he was able to talk to them and understand their language and also reply to them. So these are the answers that you have to write down. Now let's move on to the next, which is a poem. So the second one is read the poem and answer the questions that follow. So यहाँ पे हमें ये poem read करनी है and we have to answer the questions. So may my friendships always be the most important things to me. So here the poet is saying कि मेरी जो फ्रेंडशिप है उसे जो है हमेशा बेस्ट रहने दो, इम्पॉर्टेंट रहने दो मेरे लिए. With special friends I feel I am blessed, so let me give my very best. So मेरे जो स्पेशल फ्रेंड्स हैं उनके साथ में बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लेस्ड फील करता हूँ, अच्छा फील करता हूँ. सो इसीलिए so let me give me my very best. सो मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं अपना जो बेस्ट है वो अपने फ्रेंड्स को दूँ। I want to do much more than share. शेयर करने के अलावा मैं और बहुत सारी चीज़ें करना चाहता हूँ अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ। The hopes and plans of friends who care. सो मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स हैं वो मेरा बहुत ध्यान रखते हैं, मेरी केयर करते हैं, उनके बहुत सारे होप्स हैं, उनके बहुत सारे प्लान्स हैं, उन सबको मैं फुलफिल करना चाहता हूँ। I will try all that a friend can do to make their wishes come true. मैं वो सारी चीज़ें करना चाहता हूँ जो एक फ्रेंड को करना चाहिए अपने दोस्त की विशेस को पूरा करने के लिए। Let me use my heart to say to realize what friends can do. चलो मुझे अपने जो दिल है उसको जो है यूज़ करने दो ये देखने के लिए कि जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं वो क्या हैं। To realize what friends can be. फ्रेंड्स क्या हो सकते हैं। And make no judgment from afar, but love my friends the way they are. So मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स को लेके कोई भी जजमेंट क्रिएट ना करूँ, मैं उनको वैसे ही प्यार करूँ जैसे कि वो हैं। So this was the poem. Now let's move on to the exercise, which is answer in one word only. First one is, how does the poet feel about special friends? So he wants to give whatever they like. How did the poet feel about special friends? So the poet, he wants to give them the best. Now second one is, what does the poet use to realize what friends can be? So the poet used to realize about his friends through his heart. He wants to realize them and he doesn't want to make any judgment for them. Now let's move on to B. Give one reason why we can say that the poem is a prayer. So the poem is a prayer because the poet is continuously praying to Lord and he is saying that please give me the friends that I want to be the best for them. Now see, why does the poet want to do more for her friends? The poet wants to do more for her friends because he wants to realize what friends can be. He wants that whatever his friends want or her friends want, he can make each wish come true. Now D1 is, do you think that the speaker knows about the wishes of her friends? How can we say so? So here the question is कि क्या आपको पता है कि स्पीकर को पता है कि उसके फ्रेंड्स की क्या विशेस हैं? How can you say so? So in the above lines we can see that the poet is saying that he wants to fulfill all the wishes of his friends. So because they are the best of the friends, they may have all the wishes told to each other, and that's why the poet wants to fulfill all their wishes. E is, complete the sentences. First, you can see the sentences, my friends will feel dash if their wishes come true. So they will feel caring if their wishes come true. The poet wants to care his friends. So these are the answers that we have to write down. Like this, there is another passage that is given here, which is about yoga, which is a physical exercise which helps in the physical, mental and spiritual growth. So you have to read this, and then after reading this you have to fill in the blanks, answer the questions that are given here. Similarly, there is another poem given here, which is an unseen poem. You have to read the poem and answer the following questions. So this is a poem that you have to read and answer the questions, write true or false, fill in the blanks. Similarly comes the next passage, which is about Guru Dronacharya, and he is teaching his children. So read the passage and then answer the questions that are given here. So, write down. So, these answers you have to write down yourself. With this, we have completed the chapter. I hope you understood it. I'll be meeting you soon with a new video and a new chapter. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.